Customizing the look of your home screen has never been easier than it is on iOS 14. Let me show you how you can use Widgetsmith to create your own custom widgets to make your iPhone or iPad look just the way you want. Widgetsmith is a free app and it will let you basically create as many different widgets as you like, and you can customize tons of details about them. So let's get started. I'm going to open up the Widgetsmith app, and the first choice to make is if you want a small, medium or large widget. I'm going to go for medium because I want to create a photo widget. On here you can tap on default widget and then you can make changes as you need to. There are lots of templates ready to go. I'm going to scroll right down to photo album, and from here I have the option to pick an album from my Photos app. So my top tip here is to make an album of the pictures that you want in your widget and then to select that album. Then you know you'll get the best of your pictures. Select your album, press the back button, and then at the top of that little panel you're going to rename your widget. This will make it easier for later. Back to my home screen now, I'll add a widget by pressing and holding, and I'm going to choose Widgetsmith in the widget browser. I'll then choose the medium widget, and you'll notice it's grey at the moment. That's because there's no set style for this widget, it's completely flexible. Drag that over to where you want it to go, and then tap anywhere on the home screen to go back into normal mode. You're then going to long tap on your new widget, and you're going to press Edit. From here you can pick any of the widgets you've created inside Widgetsmith that fit that size. So I'm going to choose my fave photo widget, and then you should see that loads up the widget I've just made. But I'm not going to stop here, let's make another widget. So we'll go straight back into Widgetsmith, and I'll make another medium-sized one, I think. From here let's go down to calendar, and I'm going to make one that shows my upcoming events. But this is not going to be like the built-in Apple one, I'm going to customize it completely. So when you've chosen the style, at the bottom I've got some tabs to tap through. I'm going to choose here what font I want. I'll go for San Francisco Mono, because that's one that I quite like. And then you can choose the colour as well. You might know by now, but I'm quite a fan of teal, so I'm going to choose teal. You can even change the background colour. I'm going to pick another one that works well with teal, and add a border colour to your widget if you'd like as well. This degree of flexibility makes for millions of different combinations, and you can make your style look exactly as you want it to be. I'll press the back button, quickly rename it at the top, and then come out of Widgetsmith completely. I'll add my widget just like before, dragging on the medium-sized placeholder, and then I'm going to press and hold on it to choose the name of the widget I want from the Edit Widget menu. I'll go to my upcoming events, and then you'll see my newly created widget in all its glory on my home screen. This works just as well on iPhone as well as iPad, so give it a go and be creative. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Now if you enjoyed that and you want to find some more quick tips for your iPad or to use in your classroom, do me a favour and press the subscribe button down below. That will really help me out, and it will help you keep up to date with all the latest tips and tricks on my YouTube channel.